Using tari suru, doing this or that, and sometimes doing other things, to express different activities that you do or have done, which do not take place in any specific order. The formation of using this form of grammar is the verb, putting in the plain past of the verb, so tabemasu, tabeta, nomimasu, nonda, ikimasu, itta. Then adding ri and suru. Any form of suru could be shimasu, shimasen, shimashita, shiteimasu. A whole variety of endings for suru. So in a sentence, to eat and read and so on, tabetari, yondari, suru. So if we take a few examples here. At the weekends, I do such things as read books and play tennis and so on. 週末は本を読んだり、テニスをしたりします。Or, in the holidays, I intend to go to the beach, meet with my friends and so on. 休みには海に行ったり、友達と会ったりするつもりです。Remember, tsumori is intend or plan to, following suru. Suru tsumori, intend to do. So, atari, meeting with friends, going to the beach. The next example, yesterday, I did such things as watch television and so on. Kino, terebi o mitari shimashita. So don't need many uses of tari suru to indicate doing a whole variety of activities. Remember that the final verb is a conjugation of suru. So it can be shimasu, shimashita, shimasen, or suru tsumori desu. Arigato. Sayonara.